Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 5 of my Traxxas TRX4 Sport Kit build. In this part of the series we are going to be building the suspension and driveline. And for this part you'll need the dampers bag, the driveline bag, and the suspension links bag. Starting off with step F1, we'll be assembling the Traxxas GTS shocks for the TRX4. So the GTS shocks come pre-built in this kit, and basically all you have to do is fill it with oil. About the only thing that you actually have to build in part F1 is the tip of the shock oil bottle. Anyway, let's get to it. If you're wondering, what I'm using here is the Protec RC shock pliers. And with that, I have filled all 4 shocks with oil, and we're ready to move on and putting on these springs. One down, 3 more to go. Alright, so if you haven't noticed, there's 2 different types of springs. One is marked in white, and the other one, let me just flip this around so it's in the same direction. The other one is marked in a brownish orange, right there. Basically, the one with the orange stripe are the rears. They're a little bit stiffer, and the one with the white stripes are the front shocks, and they're softer. And that completes the assembly of the GTS shocks, which is step F1, and we're on to step F2. For step F2 you'll need this. And that completes step F2. For step F3, you'll need the two shocks with the white springs and these two links. Make sure that these are the correct links by matching them up with the length in the instruction manual right there. That completes step F3. Step 4, you'll need these parts right here. Make sure that the links match up with the lengths in the manual. Front panhard bar, the front upper link, and the steering link. You'll also need two 3x15s and one 3x23. I'm actually going to swap this ball end around because I don't like having the flat end facing outwards. This is the front upper link that I'm putting on right now. This one I put on earlier was the panhard bar. And now we're going to the steering link. Some kits call this the tie rod and this one the drag link. This kit in particular calls this the steering link and this one the drag link. So okay, again I'm going to flip these balls around because I actually like them the other way better. That completes step F4. For step F5, you'll need this. And that completes step F5. For step F6, you'll need these. The upper links have the bent rod ends. And the lower links are straight. And that completes step F6. You'll need these screws for step F7. And that completes step F7. For step F8, you'll need the driveline bag. For step F8, you'll need these parts right here and this hardware on this side right here. And that completes step F8. Now, I did run into an issue with my drive shaft. One of the output drives was defective when I got it, and I don't know if you can see here, but that slot is cut in a diagonal or at an angle, and it's not straight up and down. So you can get a good look at it, and that's on both sides. So when it's not cut up straight up and down, you get some binding with the pin that goes through there. So basically what I had to do is call up Traxxas, and they sent me a replacement part, which was this right here, part 8295, which contains the output drive with a non-defective cut. And you can see here, comparing the two, how the defective one is at an angle and the new one is straight up and down. I'll open up the package to give you a better look. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison with the new replacement piece. See if I can get this here for you. Now you can see how the defective one is cut at an angle and the new one is straight up and down. So kudos to Traxxas for just sending me a replacement part, no questions asked. A really good customer service there. You'll need these parts for step F9. And that completes step F9. And this completes this part of this build series. We installed the suspension and the drive shafts, suspension links. Hope you enjoyed this part of the series. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.